If you're looking for a highly educational market analysis, you're in the right place. This is the Transparent Effects Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 190k reputation points. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight to the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about BTC USD. Now, why do I want to speak about Bitcoin? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis, starting from the higher time frames, then going down on the lower ones. We will also check what we have when it comes to the on-chain data, so how Bitcoins are moving on and off from exchanges. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on this crypto. Now, starting from the monthly, we can see how the market here had very strong monthly support and demand. And in fact, we can see how as soon as the market tested it here with the recent price action, it immediately got rejected to the upside. So what we can expect is more continuation to the upside. So on the monthly, everything seems pretty bullish. Dropping down on the weekly, we can see how from a weekly perspective, the market has created a double bottom at this zone. In fact, we can see how we had a low here. Again, another low created here, so printing basically this double bottom. And at the moment, what we can see is that the market is testing the minor resistance that we have here. In fact, we can see how every time that the market tested this area in the past, it got rejected to the downside. So until we will see a weekly close above this resistance, we cannot expect more continuation to the upside because we are still below weekly resistance. Dropping down on the daily, we can see how the resistance that we have on the weekly is also quite visible on the daily time frame, with the market creating a series of highs at this level. However, at the moment, it seems like we are pushing into the zone and a potential break to the upside seems possible. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the on-chain data, so as I was saying before, how Bitcoins are moving off and on and off from exchanges, if we look at the most recent price action given by this black line, which clearly is showing the big drop to the downside that we had, which is basically this one here. So this move to the downside here that we're seeing here on the chart is exactly this one that you see with the black line. We can see that the blue line, which is amount of Bitcoins on exchanges, has continued to drop as well. Now, what does it mean? It means that actually more Bitcoins are getting bought and moved off from exchanges compared to the ones that are getting put onto the exchanges, meaning that overall, this is a very bullish sign that we could definitely see more continuation to the upside. Now, if the market will successfully manage to break above this resistance, only after the break above the resistance, this previous resistance would be turned support here. So after the break on the retest of the previous resistance turned support, this is the zone that with students, we would be monitoring for a potential longing opportunity. Now, the way in which we would be doing that is as usual being reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the on-chain data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, with students, what we would be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we would have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries at that point, we could be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. We are currently running a special promotion,
And obviously in the mentorship program, first you learn all the rules of the strategies, then you also get a daily market breakdown every day showing you which pairs I'm looking for according to the rules of the strategies. And you also have the possibility to ask questions and get the answers every single day. So it's a very interesting program and complete program. The link is in the description. To find out more about the special promotion, go and check it out, and I will see you in it.